Hey guys, I've got a truck, GMC, that needs a hitch pin, and it's key. I want keyless because I'm always losing my keys. And so one of our brand partners said, "Hey, listen, I know you got that nice truck out there. Could you use something like this?" And I was like, "Sure, bring it on." And it is a combination hitch. Comes with two rings, rubber rings, and then a cover for the actual, and it's really sturdy. It's really heavy duty. I'm gonna put this on my truck. Let's see if right now the combination is 000. Figure out how to make it to mine. I keep it at 000. Nobody figures that out. And then you just change it, and it's like that. So let's go outside, put it on the truck, see how it works. All right, so just take your pin, like this, mix up your combination, mix up the combination a bit. That's not going out. Put this on like this. If you want, you can put the O-rings right here, so it makes it snug and tight. But that's it.
Anything you want to say about it?
Yeah, sure. So that was super easy to install. Make sure somebody can't lift this. This has no security measure on it. This does. So and I don't have to worry about a key. Just remember the code and we're good to go.